It is pretty tough, especially when you're working. You only have a limited time. Not everyone can do what I go. It took 4 weeks off, and then was fired at some point. It's really what's it works. It's it ended up being like 3 or something months. And then he used up all his PTO. All his life. Now I can take my holidays whenever I want. Go over the weekend. Then girl suddenly is like, by the way guys, just making another 2 weeks.
Can you buy this?
It's just I could
Throw it on your knee.
if I get paid or not. Because like I'm sure everyone has made enough money that he doesn't care. Being at the company how much. But it is hilarious. Like, I don't know how one single person can take that many days off. Even for a honeymoon, like 4-ish months, like not that.
Yeah, but I remember I was at some point kind of scared to ask about him. Yeah, he was fired.
I thought he was fired last year because he went to the UK. Because just before he was getting married, he moved to the UK for like 4 or 5 months or something with his fiance. And so you would only occasionally see him in Madison's messaging. And I was like, what's going on with Carol? Because none of us knew why as well. He just went to the UK. I think only like Lee knew. It was some, I don't know what's going on there. But I think good for him. He gets to do what he wants to do.
Yeah, I was talking to my girl that like, if I get fired, I wouldn't care that much, 6 months of garden leave, being paid to travel the world. Not that bad. Not that bad.
You can also get a different job and just double your money and do the same thing.
There is this guy that now he's working
Please hold a handrail when standing or moving through the bus. Bear grime ar an gána láimhe, más I hasa nó ag bogad tríd an
work like
Moscow.
2 years in a company.
Royal
2 years
Hospital,
in another company.
a light for Georgian Embassy,
But like the guy was so
Hospital Real,
because they hired him
Curling the Ambassade Shores.
from Millennium for James Street.
He's just milking every company go there.
I think at this point the company are hiring him because he can work on those other companies. So
They're just using it for some information and they're like, alright, you can go.
Donnybrook Village, Droidwallia Bhauna Brook.
Exactly. That's the trick. Like you get guys leave for like what, 6 months, 12 months, and you just move to a super cheap country. You just like set up buy a mansion and relax for the rest of your life.
And if you go to Brazil with the salary, you're king there. Thailand, Southeast Asia.
Yeah. Someone from Singapore is telling me there's a guy who works in Singapore. Well, he works for the Singapore. He doesn't work in Singapore. He actually works in Thailand. And he's like, the dude has like a mansion. His wife is like 25 years older than him. He has a butler. He has a maid. Like, he has a private hire taxi. So there's always someone there driving him around. It's like, this is just insane.
He's probably spent less than we do here.
Exactly. Like all that from the cost of saving was like 1%.
During pandemic, I was working remote. Me and my girl really considered like the 3 months in some random place we were, and we started to look for rent in Thailand. 400 euros, we get
Victoria
really
Avenue.
nice condo.
Yeah.
Askel Victoria.
I just wish that we could do work from home a lot easier because like in Ireland you're allowed to work in any other country for 3 months without any tax issues. But that would probably be great or you can go to another country.
Yeah, Brad told me, you can work in UK, but in Brazil, look at I mean, like even for 1 week or something.
Yeah.
mean,